Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is mixture and alligation. Mixture and alligation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. Question number 1. 3 equal glasses are filled with mixture of milk and water. In the first glass, age 3:1, and in second glass, age 5:3, and in the third glass, 9:7. The contents of the glass are emptied into a single vessel. Water is the proportion of milk and water in it. 3 glasses are filled with mixture of milk and water, right? In first glass, milk and water ratio is 3:1. Milk and water 3:1. In second glass, 5:3. 5:3 milk and water ratio. In third glass, milk and water is 9:7. Now these are mixed in a large container. So after mixing, what is the ratio of milk and water? Our target to find what is the milk and water after mixing these 3 glasses. So now see here, milk is 3 part in first glass and water is 1 part. So total part is 4. Total part is 4. Milk is only 3. Out of 4, milk is 3 part in a first glass, plus milk is 5 part in a second glass and water is third part, right? So total part is 5 plus 3 is 8 part. Out of 8 part, only milk is 5 part, right? Plus milk is 9 part in a third glass. Water is 7 part in a third glass, right? Okay, so 9 plus 7 is 16 part. Out of 16 part, milk is only 9 part in a milk. Okay, now water. In a first vessel, 1 part is water out of 4, plus 5 plus 3 is 8 part. Water is 3. So out of 8, water is 8 part. Out of 8, water is 3 part in a second glass. Plus similarly, 9 plus 7 is 16. So water is 7 in a third vessel out of 16. Now take LCM. LCM will be 16, right? So 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12, plus 8 2 is 16, so 5 2 is 10, plus 16 1 is 16, so 9. Similarly, ratio will be 16. 4 4 is 16 means 4, and 8 2 is 16 and 7. Now add them. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 by 16. Ratio 10 plus 7 is 17. 16. So 16 cancel. So new ratio is after mixing 31:17. 31:17. Now friends, here this method is time taking. So how to solve in easy way? Now see here. In a first container, milk and water 3:1, and second container 5:3, and third container 9:7, right? So in a first container 4 part, second container 5 plus 3 is 8 part, and third container 9 plus 7 is 16 part. So see here, part are not same. If part are not same, make them same. So LCM will be 16, right? 4, 8 and 16, LCM will be 16. So multiply with 4 4 ja 16, right? 8 2 ja 16, so multiply with 2. 16 1 ja 16, so multiply with 1 to whole ratio. New ratio will be 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4. Second vessel 5 2 ja 10. Ratio 2 into 3 is 6. In third 9:7. Now see here, part are now same. 12 plus 4 is 16, 10 plus 6 is 16 and 9 plus 7 is 16. If these are same, if part are same, now direct add them. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, right? 12 plus 10 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 31. So new ratio is after mixing 31:7, right? 31:7. See here friends, milk and water in a first vessel 3:1, 3:1, second 5:3 and third 9:7. 3 plus 1 in a first vessel, milk is 3 part and water is 1 part. So total part is in first container, right? First vessel, milk is 5 and water is 3. So in second container 8 part. Milk is 9 part in a third container and water is 7 part in a third container. So total part is 9 plus 7 is 16 part. If part are not same, make them same. First our work is make them same. So 4 8 16 LCM, take LCM, LCM will be 16, right? 4 8 and 16, LCM will be only 16. So 4 4 is 16, so multiply with 4 whole ratio. 8 2 is 6, so multiply by 2 whole ratio, 2 whole ratio. 16 1 is 16, so multiply with 1 whole ratio. Now see here, 4 3 is 12 and 4 1 is 4, right? 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 1 9 is 1, 1 9 is 9 and 1 7 is 7. Now see here, part are same. 12 plus 4 is 16, 10 plus 6 is 16, 9 plus 7 is 16. If part are same, now add them. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. 12 plus 10 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 31. So new ratio will be 31:17 after mixing. So new ratio is 31:17. 3 glasses of equal volume contain milk mixed with water. The ratio of milk and water are 2:3, 3:4 and 4:5 respectively. Contents of these glasses are poured into a large vessel. The ratio of milk and water in the large vessel is. 3 glasses are equal volume, contain milk mixed with water. Now see here, there are 3 glasses, milk and water. First glass 2:3. In second 3:4, milk and water 3:4. In third glass 4:5, milk and water ratio is 4:5. We need to know what is the mixture after mixing, what is the ratio after mixing of milk and water, right? If add them, so now see here, in first container milk and water ratio is 2:3, in second 3:4, in third 4:5. Now see here, in first container 2 plus 3 is 5 part, right? 3 plus 4 is 7 part and 7 plus 4 4 plus 5 is 9 part. Observe here 5, 7, 9. These are not same. These part are not same. So we can do one thing. Hide it and multiply 7 into 9. 7 into 9. Now second, hide this and multiply with 9 into 5. 9 into 5. Now hide this and multiply with 5 into 7. 5 into 7 with whole ratio. Right? Otherwise you can take LCM. 5, 7 and 9. LCM will be 9, 7 is 63. 63 into 5 will be 5, 3 is 15 and 6, 5 is 30. LCM will be 315, right? So better you do like this, right? Now see here, 7, 9 is 63, 63 2 is 126, right? And 63 is 6 3 is 180, 3 3 is 9, so 189. Now 9 5 is 45, 45 3 is 43 is 120, 5 3 is 15, so 135. Ratio 9 5 is 45, 45 4 is 44 is 160, 5 4 is 20, so 180. Right? 5 7 is 35, 35 4 is 34 is 120, and 4 4 is 16, so 1 is equal to 140 is to 35 5 is 35 is 150 and 5 5 is 25, so 150 plus 25 will be 175, right? Now add them. 9 5 14, 8 8 16, 16 and 7 23 and 1 24, 1 2 3 and 1 4 is to 6 5 11, 2 3 5 5 4 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 2 3. Now see here, 1 second, 1 2 3 and here 2, so it is 244, right? Now see here, new ratio is 391 is to 244. Will be 5, right? So new ratio is 391 is to 554. So thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video.